All right, these are just my English muffins that I'm lining up on my sheet pan. I did half them just like that. Beautiful. And we're just gonna toast these up in the oven for about 10 minutes. While those are in the oven, I'm gonna grab a bowl and a whisk. I have a small package of instant vanilla pudding right in there. Use the whole package. I have 2 cups of milk. You can use whatever milk you prefer. I'm gonna use that whole thing. Beautiful. Now before we add our secret ingredient, I'm just gonna whisk this up, get it well blended and delicious. Ooh yeah, I love vanilla pudding, and I know it seems a little weird, like I just put English muffins in the oven. What does vanilla pudding have to do with English muffins? Well, I'm taking a traditional dessert and making it in a new way. You guys will just have to wait and see. It's gonna be so good. Okay, now that that's completely dissolved in the milk, you know I have to add some Cool Whip. This is just gonna make it nice and fluffy and delicious and just be everything you want it to be. Go ahead and squeeze that out. Oh yeah.
Ooh, yum.
Get that whole entire thing. And you know what, the recipe did call to make homemade whipped cream, but I wanted to make this easier for you guys, so I'm using Cool Whip today. Like I always say though, you can make whatever, you can make homemade whipped cream if that's your, preference, but I'm gonna keep on using Cool Whip. All right, you guys, because I want it to be easy.
Wait, babe, we make homemade Cool Whip all the time though.
Homemade whipped cream, yes.
That's what I meant.
All right, so let's just keep getting this nice and blended together. So this is gonna make a nice fluffy pudding. Oh my, this is gonna be so good. Okay, make sure all those lumps are completely gone. Oh man, this smells amazing.
Oh, look how creamy it looks.
Yep, all right, now we're gonna pop this in the fridge and grab those English muffins. All right, these babies are ready. They're just slightly crisped up. Go ahead and grab a serving platter. And if you saw this in the corner, we have some chocolate frosting here. I'm using the Hershey's chocolate frosting because it is the best. And this is just slightly melted. You see that? It's just like a little melt in there. And we're gonna go ahead and grab half of our English muffins, and we're gonna dip it right in there. Oh, yeah, look how delicious that is. Put that right on our serving platter. Okay, like I said, we're gonna do this to half of our English muffins. Super quick. You can make your own homemade chocolate frosting if that's your style, but like I mentioned earlier, I wanted this to be an easy recipe. And these are gonna cool down super quick because they were not in the oven for very long. Okay, go ahead and...
Wow, this is genius.
Yep. So I'm turning these English muffins into a super yummy and easy dessert, a dessert that everyone's had at least once in their life. Okay.
Oh, I have no clue.
Ooh, you'll
no
see.
clue what you're making.
All right, last one with the chocolate. Beautiful. Oh my goodness, don't those look so delicious?
They look great, baby.
All right, let's go ahead and grab our pudding mixture. All right, so I grabbed our pudding Cool Whip mixture, and I have a big scoop right here. Oh, look how thick that is. Oh my. And that's gonna go right on top of there. Now this is a version of an eclair. Oh yeah.
What?
Eclairs are so yummy and so delicious, so I had to make little mini ones, and the English muffin just adds that crisp to it that makes it so delicious. Oh yeah, okay, beautiful.
What did you call it? An eclair?
An eclair, yeah, you don't know what an eclair
I've
is?
never had an eclair. I'm being serious.
All right, now we are gonna top these off because every good eclair has a little fruit and nuts to it. So I have some pistachios here, but I'm not just gonna put full pistachios. I have this little chopper here because I want like crushed pistachios. That should be plenty.
Awesome.
You can have the rest. And put that top on, and then this is going to chop up. All right, let's check that out. Ooh, see how it's nice and chopped up now? That's exactly what we wanted. And now we're gonna just sprinkle that right on top
Oh, wow.
of our pudding mixture. And that's just gonna add such a nice, delicious crunch and flavor to our eclairs. Beautiful. Okay, let's get some of that dust on there too. Doesn't that look so good?
It looks phenomenal. Wow.
Yeah, okay, so next we are gonna add some raspberries.
Yum.
Go ahead and just plop those right into that pudding. This is gonna add such a sweet little tang to this dessert. Look how good that looks. Oh my. All right, we are almost done here. We are so close. Last but not least, bananas.
Yum.
And this is just gonna complete our delicious and easy eclairs. I cannot wait to try these. They look so scrumptious, so delicious. Everything you would want in an easy dessert. Oh my, okay, beautiful. Let's go ahead and grab these tops. And we are just going to smush all that deliciousness down.
Wow, look at
Ooh, I think some of them have tops, some of them have two bottoms. That's not my fault, okay, you guys?
It's okay. They still look great.
All right, it is time to try one of these. Let's see, should I get a top and look? Let's flip.
Is that a top and a bottom?
Yeah. Oh, it's two bottoms.
Two bottoms. It's
It's
okay.
still gonna taste good, you guys, okay? Oh, I'm so excited.
Ooh, the crunch. Oh, whoa, don't fall over. Is it good?
That is so good.